Hopefully we won't have to like dance through hoops, man. Let's go. Obviously I want to rant, but let's not. Not for now.
Yo.
Nice surprise.
Can I get another one?
Ooh la la. Big surprise. 2019 in the solo category, and now they are together. I know everyone is excited for Rogue Wave, so
I mean, both of them made it to the top in solo category, which is the biggest category of all. And now they're here to try to prove that it's a good.
so they come out against each other, and they will be battling together.
Y'all ready?
Two Colombian French.
Yep.
I said y'all ready.
Let's go.
Bro, I've been ready, son. Damn.
It's Trois.
Trois de on beatbox.
Thank you.
I never said this, but I think his mustache is killer. Dude, respect on how hard that is. Not the beatboxing, just the two guys together and not losing their pitch. That's... Ah, then he kicked it up a register, maybe a fifth. Okay, man, I've done like 100 probably beatbox reactions, 150 or something. And I'm gonna give credit to something that I don't normally talk about, I don't think. Right now, I'm not in love with this composition. I love what they're doing, but yeah. What I'm in love with is they must have rehearsed their faces off for this. That dedication, man.
Es el nombre del equipo. Hola, furtiva, es el nombre del equipo. La ola es furtiva, peligrosa y derrumba todos los seres humanos que encuentran en su paso cultura de dos entidades que no aceptan empate y que tienen diversidad de los escriben los lenguajes. Y rampe con esta mezcla que mantema este táctil se mantém peta que parece fácil. Poder francés y sabor colombiano con este combo, este título es gratis.
Okay, obviously right there, I got no idea what the fuck he's saying. But that's okay, you don't have to understand what someone's saying. You ever listen to like opera or anything in a different language, or even an instrument. Instruments don't speak language, but like I don't know if it was that speed. Oh, that shit that River's in the background. The boop. Oh, dude, you know I can't fucking sing, man. Doot, 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 doot. My hand's not even like covered. It's not even in the right way. Doot, 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 doot.
Nosotros vamos al top 4. Hey yo, GBB, make some fucking noise! We are Rogue Wave, French power, Colombian flavor. Let's switch it up a bit. Are you ready for some UK crank?
Oh, he just said, did he just say we're gonna switch up the beat? Switch it up.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
That's okay. I was gonna say the beginning of this is like they're just kind of smashing shit together. They're doing a really great job of smashing it together. I'm not sure if it fits, but when he switched over to here, that feels like he's actually building off the other dude. Yeah, so the Ripper's doing like wow, wow, and the other guy's gonna remove the boom. So it's like wow, 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 boom, wow, 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 boom. That's sick. It's basically like a drum line, but they're beatboxing.
We run the track.
Yeah, I already know my thoughts, so like we're not watching anymore. I don't really. Is it okay to say I don't care the rest of the video? I don't like it. Like I like it, but I don't like it. But I love it for the. Oh, hold on. Let me take a breath. Compose my thoughts, man. I like the interplay between the two beatboxers, and I like the sounds they did, and I like how they worked together. And them working together with the really cool sounds and rhythms makes me excited to see what else happens. But this, yeah, it's not bad. It's obviously not bad. It's great beatboxing, but it just makes me excited to see more. Can I take you back into time? When the first X-Men movie came out, and you're like, ah, that's so fucking cool they made an X-Men movie. And then it could have been X-Men 1 or 2 or whichever one's the one for you, where you're like, the movie's like, I don't know, it's like not that great, but it's awesome that they made this movie because now they're gonna make more of these movies, and this shit is like really fucking cool. Although this was not exactly the thing I'm looking for. And please just make more music, more movies. And they did. They made a lot more movies. And then you get to choose between your Infinity Gauntlet and Iron Man and Spider-Man and all that shit. So like, that's this for me. Like, this is like, oh, thank God two great beatboxers got together to make something cool. Not really, you know. I'm not saying like this is a movie I love, but I love the collaboration and I love what they did together and I love what it shows for the game. And it makes me very interested to see the next movie. And that's honesty. That's about as honest as I can get. You know what I mean? Honest as I can get. Why did I say that? It's the honest as I can get. Like there's more honesty to be had. I should figure out like a new phrase for that. Like, that's me being honest and you can like it or not like it. River though, I didn't say this in the beginning of the video. You can go back to the very beginning. There's a camera shot where the camera is looking at him when he's looking at his partner. And River just got those eyes. Like, you know I'm about this. Like, I'm about this. That might not be important to you. It's important to me. Like, the confidence. And not stupid confidence. Like, if you've never done anything, you have confidence because you never had your ass kicked. But he has confidence. Like, I've been here. I've done this. Yeah, so my favorite thing about this Is it weird to say it's not the music? It's everything else. It's the collaboration, it's the practice, it's the timing, it's the focus, it's River being like, oh, I got this, but we're working together. It's all the other shit. Oh, and by the way, I poured some vodka into a bottle. I poured some other vodka into a different bottle and mixed some stuff with it. And then I drank out of the wrong bottle. But I still think I stand behind what I'm saying, but that's okay. I don't think the police are coming to get me. Sorry. The police.